0 o'clock. Let's be honest, most so-called free AI video generators aren't really free. You might get a few trial credits or a single export, and then you hit a paywall. I've tested countless tools like that, and I know how frustrating it is. That's exactly why I created this video, to share 5 AI video generators that are 100% free, unlimited, and watermark-free. No hidden fees, no trials, just real tools you can use right now to create amazing videos without spending a dime. And that's not all. I'll also show you 3 bonus AI video tools, premium platforms that offer surprisingly powerful free versions you can use long-term. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, digital marketer, or even just someone experimenting with AI video creation, this guide is packed with value you don't want to miss. So stick around until the end, because the last tool might be the game changer you've been waiting for, saving you time, money, and hours of frustration. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment the word helpful down below so I know you're getting value. Now, let's jump straight into the first tool. 105, tool number 1, Qwen AI. First, open Google and type Qwen in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you to the Qwen AI web interface. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your email address. After signing in, you'll see a clean and simple interface. 126. On the main page, look for the See More option and click on it. This will expand the menu and show additional features, including the video generation option. Go ahead and click on Video Generation. Now you're ready to create videos using Qwen AI. Make sure to set the video aspect ratio to 16:9, which is ideal for most platforms. 149. You can select any available option based on your preference. To test the tool, I already have some example prompts prepared. These are just random prompts. You can also use your own. I'll start by copying the first prompt and pasting it into the Qwen AI prompt box. Then click Generate, and Qwen AI will begin processing the video. 210. Please note that Qwen only allows one video to be generated at a time, so it may take a little while. Once the processing is complete, our first video is ready. To download the video, simply click on the download icon, and the video will be saved directly to your device. It's that easy. Now, let's try a different prompt. 239. This time, I'll use a 3D style prompt to see how well Qwen handles animated 3D videos. Again, just copy and paste it into the prompt box. Click Generate, and wait a few seconds. And there we go! Another video is ready. As you can see here, I've generated multiple videos using Qwen AI. You can use this tool to create unlimited AI-generated videos. 306. And the best part is there's no watermark, and you don't have to pay anything. It's completely free to use. Tool number 2, Vheer. First, open Google and search for Vheer. Then, click on the first website that appears in the search results. Once you're on the Vheer AI website, you'll see a variety of AI tool options. From these, select the image to video feature. On the next screen, you'll see an upload option. Here, you'll need to upload the image you want to convert into a video. I already have some images prepared for my upcoming project, so I'll use one of those to demonstrate. Once your image is uploaded, just click on the Generate button, and Vheer will begin processing your image into a video. 355. Within a few seconds, your video will be ready. To download the video, simply click on the download icon and save it to your device. Now, let's try another one. Just remove the previous image. Upload your next image. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Your new video will be ready. You can repeat this process as many times as you like, making it perfect for batch creating content or experimenting with different visual styles. 436. Vheer AI is completely free to use with no hidden fees, no subscriptions, and no limitations on how many videos you can generate. The best part, there are absolutely no watermarks on the videos, so your content looks clean and professional right from the start. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just exploring creative tools, Vheer AI makes it incredibly easy to bring your images to life. 501. Just upload your pictures, click Generate, and watch your still images transform into stunning high-quality videos effortlessly and instantly. Tool number 3, Yuan AI. First, open Google and search for Yuan AI. From the search results, select the Chinese version of the website. This is the official site. Once you're on the website, the first step is to translate the page into English, so you can navigate it easily. 533. Next, click on the login button. You'll be asked to register using a mobile number. Here's something important to note. The registration process only works correctly in the original Chinese version of the site. So, make sure to switch the page back to Chinese before entering your information. Now, go back to Google and search for temporary phone numbers. 556. Choose any website that provides free US numbers. Copy one of the available US numbers and paste it into the Yuewen AI login. Then click Send Code. Return to the temporary number website and check for new incoming messages. Once you receive the verification code, copy it and paste it into the Yuan login box. You're now successfully logged in using a temporary number, 629. For this demo, I'll use one of the ready-made prompts available in the list. I'll simply copy the prompt, paste it into the Yuan AI prompt box, and click Generate. You will begin processing the request, and within a few minutes, the video will be ready. As you can see here, I've successfully generated a video using Yuan AI. 650. Let me remind you, this tool is completely free to use with no limits on how many videos you can create. In addition to text to video, Yuan AI also supports image-to-video conversion, making it a powerful and versatile tool for creators. Tool number 4, AI Studio. First, open Google and search for Google AI Studio. Click on the official Google AI Studio website from the search results, and you'll be directed to the main platform. 728. Once you're on the site, look at the left-hand menu and click on the Generate Media option. Here you'll see several AI tools such as image generation, speech generation, and VO. Click on the VO option to begin creating AI videos. Make sure to set the video size to 16:9, which is ideal for most video platforms. 753. Next, I'll copy one of the ready-made prompts and paste it into the AI Studio prompt box. Then, click on Run, and Google AI Studio will start processing your prompt. Within a few minutes, your video will be ready. As you can see, our video is now complete. And the best part is, there are no watermarks. You can download the video simply by clicking on the download icon. 821. It will automatically save to your device in just a few seconds. Let's try another one. I'll copy a new prompt, paste it into the prompt box, click Run, and wait a few moments. Once again, our video is ready and watermark-free. Google AI Studio currently allows you to generate around 10 to 15 videos per day. 846. If you reach your daily limit, simply sign in with another email address to continue your progress. This way, you can enjoy unlimited high-quality video generation completely free. All powered by Google AI. Tool number 5, Whisk. First, open Google and search for Google Whisk AI. From the search results, click on the official Whisk AI website, and you'll be taken directly to the main interface. 916. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign in using your email address. After logging in, you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly layout featuring a prominent prompt input box in the center of the screen. To begin, I'll copy one of my ready-made prompts and paste it into the Whisk AI prompt box. Then simply click the Generate button. 942. Within a few seconds, Whisk AI will process the prompt and generate a high-quality image based on the input. If you're happy with the generated image, the next step is to click on the animation icon. This feature allows Whisk AI to take the still image and transform it into a short animated video, all with just one click. 1003. Enter a prompt into the prompt box, then click on the Generate button. Whisk AI will begin processing your prompt and create a high-quality video in just a few seconds. Wait for a few minutes while the system renders your video. And once it's done, your video will be ready for viewing or download. With Whisk AI, you can generate up to 10 videos per day, absolutely free. 1026. It's a powerful tool for creators, designers, and anyone interested in turning static images into dynamic video content. And if you ever reach your daily limit, simply create a new account using a different email address and continue creating without interruption. This method lets you enjoy unlimited video generation at no cost, making Whisk AI an excellent option for fast, creative content production without any watermarks or hidden fees. 1053. And there you have it. 5 completely free AI video generators. Plus, 3 powerful bonus tools that can transform the way you create content. Whether you're making YouTube videos, TikTok shorts, marketing ads, or just testing out the latest AI technology, these platforms let you create unlimited, professional quality videos without paying a single cent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss my latest updates on AI tools, content creation hacks, and video editing tips. I've also left links in the description to my WhatsApp and Telegram groups, where I share exclusive tutorials, free AI resources, and behind-the-scenes updates you won't find on YouTube. Drop a comment below and let me know which AI video tool you're most excited to try. I love hearing your feedback and testing requests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'll show you even more AI-powered tools to grow faster, save money, and create better content.